Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Wednesday, May 4th, 2022. May the 4th be with you. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Teachers, please make sure you go ahead and post your attendance. PST, all PST documentation should be current. If you have any students with yearbook money, please send them to see Miss Smith first thing this morning. I want to say yesterday they said there was 4 or 5 left, so not many at all. Today's late duty is Miss Hogan, tomorrow is Miss Granger, and Friday is Miss Peralta. This week we have Teacher Appreciation Week. This week we also have been doing HMH math. No one even called me out and told me I was announcing the wrong thing as I was telling everyone to do iReady math. But we are actually doing HMH math this week, and Miss Gibbs has got her life together now and is calling it the right thing. May 5th we have the DeBakey Drug Bus. May 6th we have the School Lunch Hero Day. May 9th we have SWAT for 4th grade. May 9th through 11th is iReady Reading Diagnostic. May 10th is Vision Research on Campus. May 11th, Graduation Walk at Shepherd for our 2022 seniors. May 11th is National School Nurses Day. We can't wait for that. May 12th, Spring Picnic. May 18th, PST. May 19th, PLT. We have our HMH Math Diagnostic. Yesterday, some 3rd grade teachers took that. Today, it's 4th and 5th grade teachers are working on the Math Diagnostic in the computer lab and the collab lab. We will also be pulling some of those that need to finish this afternoon and tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow morning probably, so just be aware of that. End of the year already reading. That will be next week for K through 5, so the schedule has been sent out. Monday will be K and 1, Tuesday will be 4 and 5, Monday we'll also have some 2nd and 3rd, Tuesday we'll also have some 2nd and 3rd, and Wednesday, last but not least, Miss Bernalino's group. AR Superstars that have met their goal for this quarter. In Arch's class, we have Maria Thompson. In Check's class, Matthias Kupfer. In Miss Hogan's class, Catherine Blankenship, Madison Johnson, Reagan Zane. In Miss Lee's class, Langston Allen and London Anderson. In Miss Washam's class, Gavin Mumford. In Miss Wolf's class, Antoinette Quaylar, Chloe Fair, and Nico Yulin Sanchez. Miss Smith will bring the AR cart around to bring you your goodies. Congratulations and way to work hard. That's all for today's news. Have a wonderful Wednesday, Shepherd Scholars.